Oh. Hello, people. I heard that Miss South Carolina was booted for cosmetic surgery. And then it vetoed to, what was it, Miss Arkansas, Alabama or something, or Hawaii. So anyway, what was I saying? I got my barbecue. I got my barbecue. It was delicious thanks to Gator Grill. And if any of you guys are in town over here, East Ponce is the way. Brockettville. Also, I want to give a shout out to the Lord for showing me His mercy and the sign of the Lord in gold and the stars in the sky. I hope all of you had a happy Memorial's Day. And remember that plastic is out and the real me is in. Because that's true beauty. I'm still in. No, you ain't. Bye-bye. Peace out.